down. Y'all thought we killed him with the last one? Remix. DB, Diaz Brothers, Slow Rider, Pitbull, DJ Loud. Shake, shake, now drop what your mama said. Shake, shake, now drop what your daddy said. Shake, shake, now drop what your sister said. Slow Rider, DJ Loud, oh boy. I wanna see you move, shake it, drop it, shout it. The mama got the body on her slim waist. That upper bottom, she got it look good all in my face. I like when they lose, but don't get abused. DJ Last got them on pimp juice. She bringing it back, so I link it with the stacks. Like I link it with the cash. Look what she do with the ass. Me and my life, short it ride. Damn right, I'm about to lose.
Hi guys. Naiingit kami sa magjowa na rin.
Hahanahin kita, saan tayo mapunta? Yung tipong kahit wala lang. Wow.
Sana all. Focus to kuya. Ay, kasi mukha natin. Mukha natin dugyot. Eh, nandito kami. Maganda ang kanilang mga pool kasi meron silang private at meron silang public yata to or ewan. Basta marami silang mga puro 3 feet, 4, 5 and 6. Tapos meron silang private. Okay? Jong! Ay ka muna! Ay! Ay! Mga kalyas yun! Oh!